Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80073d0a that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This says try that again. Something went wrong. The error code is 0x80073d0a in case you need it. Error install firewall service not running. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the search menu and then type in Troubleshoot. Best match, come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select Other Troubleshooters. And now underneath Other, you want to go down on this list until you find Windows Store Apps and then select the Run button. And if it gives you any suggestions, I'd recommend following along with them and doing whatever it suggests. So you can see it just found that a Microsoft account's required. So in your case, if that's what you're missing, then you have to make sure you sign in with a Microsoft account. If you're still having a problem after going through the troubleshooter, something else we can try as well is just to reset the Microsoft Store back to default settings. So in order to do that, it's going to be very simple, guys. All you have to do is go and open up the search menu and type in WS Reset. Best match should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up and give it a moment here. And there you go, guys. So hopefully at this point you should be good to go. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.